Thank you for stopping by for another video. This one is going to be fairly quick. And also thank you if you watched the last video where we went over scanning and remediating vulnerabilities with OpenVAS. Now for this video, we're only going to be installing Kali on Hyper-V, right? So our main objective is just taking a look at securing the provisioning of resources. So let's actually go ahead and start with our first exercise. All right, perfect. So what we're going to do is just we're going to complete a bunch of tasks, right? Downloading the Kali image to local storage and then performing an installation of Kali to a virtual machine on Windows using the Hyper-V Manager. And finally, there's some support information to help us guide us around the GUI menu system as well. So what I'm going to do first is download the Kali image, which is going to be through the internet site that I have within the lab here, that I'll be able to take a look at. So all right, there it is. Then scroll down here. All right. All right, perfect. Now let's take a look, see if I can find it. This should be it here. Don't see it. Should be this one. Just downloading. All right, perfect. Now, what Kali Linux is, just a Debian-based like Linux distribution with like focuses on pen testing and security auditing, right? Normally, and there are literally hundreds of tools designed to assist with information security tasks, right? We can close this out now that we've gotten it taken care of. Security research like digital forensics and also reverse engineering. Offensive security pretty much they're the designers, maintainers, and funders of Kali Rini. So I'm just going to take a look at our Hyper-V manager here. Going to open that up, and I'm actually going to let's see, take a look here for a new virtual machine, and let's see, I'm going to name it Kali. It's perfect. Let's see, generation 1. That's fine. Let's see, we want to do 2048. All right. Let's see there. That's fine. We're gonna leave that there. All right, and we're gonna change this to 20. We don't need it that large. Everything else is fine. And then let's see. Actually, let's do this here. Do that. Actually, let's do this. There we go. All right, just want to take a look at the settings. Everything looks mostly good. So let's actually finish here. Perfect. Now that we've gotten that configured, let's actually connect. Make this bigger here. I guess as big as it gets. Forgot to start it. Okay. Okay. Just going to go through the normal steps here. Okay. All right, so we just finished the main installation of the program, and the network auto configuration kind of failed. Well, it did fail, and it's not a problem. It's just a function of our virtual environment here. So I'm just going to do not configure the network at this time, right? All right, and the host name, that's the name that we wanted. So we can continue. All right, and naturally, I'm gonna put in the password. Okay, re-enter. Perfect. Now for this portion here, let's see, what can I put? Actually, okay, there it is. Oh, okay, it's not, go back. All right, so now we're able to type again. Let's do that here. Let's start with the lowercase. Okay, understood. Right, perfect. Shouldn't take too much longer now. And of course, got it. Want to use the entire disk. Right, and it's the only disk we have to partition, right? And all files, new users, that's fine. One partition. Finish it. Right. Actually want to change this. All right, so now the formatting of the virtual drive is taking place now. The system is going to be installed. It may take quite some time, so I'm going to place the, the video, the recorded video on the other side of the completion. All right, so it's just about finished. And of course, as far as using a network mirror, we want to say no to choose this option. So there we go. So now the Grub bootloader is going to take place next on the install. And then, of course, it's going to do the master boot record. Right? Still going here. So we can see, because it should ask us about installing the Grub bootloader on a hard disk. All right, so everything has completed as far as the install. So I'm just going to log in here. Okay, perfect. So now it's going to, okay, if I get the password right. Now it's going to pop up with the save history in a second because it's supposed to, what's going on here? Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here, but it's typically supposed to populate with the save history. And then also, while I'm trying to open this up here, just want to pretty much briefly explain Kali Linux a bit also. Do that, make sure it's correct. So I mean, as far as the main the options provided in Kali. You have information gathering, right? Vulnerability analysis, web applications, password attacks, wireless attacks, exploitation tools, maintaining access, reverse engineering, and just a plethora of other things. Um, Looks like for some reason the lab is having issues at the moment as far as logging in, because that's the default for logging into what I need to get to. But nonetheless, we've come to the end of the video for installing Kali Linux on the Hyper-V. And that was it was pretty much a lot of fun. It was really quick to the point, except to this minor snag that we have here. But for the next video, we're actually going to be implementing backup and recovery, which should be even more fun. Hope to see you there. Stay curious, stay secure.